I'd like to explain how the online assignments transfer into the gradebook and what they look like and how we deal with that. At the bottom of every night's homework assignment, you will see a link to take you to a page of online assignments that are currently a part of that class's quarter, this time of the year. If I click on that, it will take me to a document that looks like this. Now, one of the things you'll see in this document is you'll see an OL number right here. Come on, cooperate. You will see an OL number, and then you'll see like OL number 1. This is what you will see in the gradebook. You'll see OL number 1, and in pre-algebra this year, that refers to a 10 marks track called use of exponents. It was actually a jam session. And you'll see all the assignments listed so far for OL number 1 through OL number 9, and these are the assignments associated with it. I do that only because I can't fit all this explanation into the gradebook very easily. How these are graded and how they're put in the book are, they are given a 0 if the assignment isn't done. They are given a 1 if the assignment has completed but the student hasn't demonstrated proficiency in that skill in that assignment. And a 2 if the student has completed the assignment to the level of proficiency. Now, these grades can change. I will sit down and I will put these grades in once all the students have completed these, but a student with a 0 or a 1 can work with me during resource or use the available assistance that is in the program to redo the track, and as soon as they reach proficiency, that grade will change to a 2. These grades go away completely once the student has demonstrated proficiency. Now, what that looks like in the program itself is this. If I go to Manga High, and here is a demo account Manga High has set up. They put some fictitious, not fictitious, but some obviously not my student names in there. And this is what I see in the gradebook. And there's really 3 things that can happen here. 1, I see a green dot if the student has passed the track and showed proficiency. I see nothing if the student hasn't attempted the track at all. And I will see a red dot if the student has attempted the track but failed. So in the gradebook, this is a 0 if it's an active challenge and they haven't done it, a 1 and a 2. And these grades can change at any time during the course of the quarter. When it comes to, that was Manga High. When it comes to 10 marks, this is what I will see. I will see the tracks that we've assigned, and once again, I will see a green dot if the student has finished that track to the level of proficiency, using either the track or the do-over track or the track that I've assigned again. A red dot if they've completed the track but are not proficient, and a line in the gradebook if they haven't even started the track or if they haven't finished the track. I guess if they've started the track, the line is there, but they haven't completed the number of questions I've posted, which is usually and almost always 10. So this is where I gather my information from for the online 10 marks grade. And for Khan Academy, my display looks like this. I will click on the student's name. It will list the recommendations. I am their coach in Khan Academy, so these are the coach's recommendations. These are the things I've posted for the student. And once again, you can see different levels. There have been 0 questions answered for this track. So this would be a 0 in the gradebook. Here a student has completed some questions but has demonstrated that they are struggling. In this case, the student and I will work together, or they will use the resources available through Khan Academy, and they will try and move their grade up to an indication of practice, or you will even see sometimes in here level 1, level 2, or an indication they have mastered it. So here again are my grades of 0, 1, and 2 in the gradebook, and they can change at any time. and I'm always here to help the students work through these problems. Other grades in the grade book besides the online grades will be labeled as to what they are. We will have an assessment on exponents. We will have a test in class, so that will be listed as a separate assignment. But I wanted to let you know what these online assignments look like in the grade book. If you have any questions, please make sure to email me.